My name's Spencer Townsend. I'm the owner of Ace Gutter. I've owned it since 2007. And we're on a house up in Bountiful today. We want to talk a little bit about things that you can do to get ready for the fall and winter months. Behind me you can see large trees, and what happens is at the end of October these leaves will fall down, they'll come down on the roof, they'll wash into the rain gutter, and the rain gutters at that point will be dysfunctional. When this rain gutter gets full, the water will overflow into the rain gutter and it'll come down into a window well like you see here. And this is a great example. There's lots of moss and lots of moisture that has been around this window well. So before we took these old rain gutters off, they were clogged and not functioning. So we're gonna put new rain gutters on, we're gonna put a leaf guard on, and what that does is it will prevent the gutter from filling up and the outlets for the downspouts to clog and water to overcome the rain gutters. The vision of our company is to be the best at capturing water and then directing it away from the foundation's base.